Hi, I'm Austin Bilyeu, Vice President of Manufacturing for Revolution Bikes, and today my colleagues and I are going to go through a short pitch detailing why Revolution Bikes would make a great investment for you. So let's start out with the thing that you're probably most curious about. Are we profitable? And the answer is yes. Our net profit margin in comparison to our competitors is actually significantly better. So the average net profit margin is 8.76 versus ours, Revolution Bikes, is 11.18. We also are more efficient with our assets, with the average being return on assets being 5.27. For us, it's 7.78. So let's take a little bit of a look at our demand and our market share. How much of the market do we actually capture? And right now, we're just a little bit behind Ascend Cycles at 26% versus 25%. We blame this a little bit on ill will. Previous quarters, we had a few stockouts. Customers were not able to get our products, and therefore their demand kind of got pushed away from us. Since then, we have upped our fixed capacity and can meet demand. We also have garnished the highest rated brand judgment in both the speed and the recreation segment, and we're also tied for the highest in mountain bikes segment. We do have the majority of the market share in the speed and the recreation segment as well. With this high brand judgment, we believe that we are on track to overtake Ascend Cycles in market share, as well as overtake them in profitability.
Hi, my name is Corey Sanders. I'm the VP of Business Analytics for Revolution Bikes. I'm going to be going over our strengths and weaknesses from our SWOT analysis for our company. Our first strength is we created effective ads for all of our brands. We managed to get 25% of the market share in quarter three. We received the highest brand rating for all of our segments. We were tied for the mountain bike segment, but our speed and our recreational was the highest in the industry. We effectively manage sales and production worker compensation to maximize profits. So we were the highest profit leader for quarter three. We hope to have that remain in effect for the following 4 quarters. We are a cost leader that generates demand. In quarter three, we generated a net demand of 1,264. So our weaknesses are our demand and operating capacity projections for quarter three. We just went over barely for our operating capacity by a small amount, so we were a little lower on our rating for that compared to our other competitors. But other than that, our other weaknesses are our early budget instability. As a new company, we will have fluctuations in our balance sheet. Just because of the new company startup costs, and they could fluctuate from quarter to quarter. We do expect that to remain something that fluctuates, and for our projections to vary based on our demand and our profit and our shareholders' equity. So yes, thank you.
Thanks, Corey. My name is Sam. I'm the Vice President of Accounting and Finance. I'm going to go over the external factors affecting our business, the opportunities and threats. The opportunities that will potentially present themselves are the opportunity to expand geographically. We are trying to expand into international markets that haven't yet seen these types of bikes to get first entry benefits. We also have a website which is also for international access. As demand increases, we have an opportunity to raise prices. Since we are a new business, our potential market demand has not yet been ascertained. As our company grows, we can look into hiring a social media professional to further expand our brand awareness. On the other side, the major threats hindering us in the near term come from competition. Since we are doing well, our competition will begin to more frequently copy our bike designs and the structure of our ads. Our biggest threat is Ascend Cycle. They are also doing well, so we will have to keep an eye on them. We also need to keep up with security on the web, since a good portion of our sales are online. So customers, as well as the business itself, needs to be secure now and in the future. Next up, we will be discussing the analysis of the market and competition. Thanks.
So you can see by these numbers here that we are higher than the market average in every aspect except for two aspects of the total market. Our total performance is almost double the market average. You can see we're considerably higher in financial performance, market performance, marketing effectiveness, and wealth. Investment in the future is one of the only areas that we are slightly lower than the market average, which is what we need your help for. You can see here as well, there it is, in human resources, asset management, we're both higher than market average. Manufacturing productivity, that is something else that we need to invest more in. That's what we're hoping to use this investment in to really grow that productivity. And financial risk, we are just right on board, right on the market average there. So you can see, especially if you look at that overall total market analysis, we are almost double. So you know this is going to be a good profitable return. But there are some things that we need a little bit more money in order to get that full return back.
Thanks, Tara, for that analysis on market and competition. Hi, my name is Brian Tenney, and I'm the VP of Sales Management. And today, I'm going to talk about Revolution Bikes' strategic statement and a few of the tactical plans we will use to achieve that strategic statement. For Revolution Bikes, we'd like to quadruple our bicycle sales from Q3 by Q6 through innovative 3D technology of carbon fiber and produce professional quality bikes at an affordable price. So how, you may ask, are we going to do that? Well, first of all, we're going to continue with expanding our brick and mortar locations to Amsterdam and Rio de Janeiro. This will total us up to all 4 locations by Q6 to become a worldwide producer with opportunity for exponential revenue growth. The next item we'll do is expand our web service to 16 people in Q6 and increase investment in web service activities that optimize customer satisfaction. For the next 2 tactics, I'm actually going to pass this off to our president, Tahia. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tahia. I'm the Vice President for Human Resources at Revolution Bikes. Thank you, Brian. And to continue with the strategic and tactical plans based on quadrupling our bicycle sales from Q3 to Q6, we want to increase investment in production to 7,800 units of fixed capacity by Q6. This will enable us to expand to an international market and have enough capital to then continue being a brand and advertising leader. We want to spend 40% of our R&D, of our total equity investment in R&D and web advertisements by Q6. That would put us at an advantage compared to our market competitors and would set us at a strong place to begin growing in international markets.
So bottom line, how big of an investment are we asking for? So currently we're estimating our share price at $350. We would offer these to you at a steep discount of $250, offering you a return on investment of 40%. Right now we're looking to offer 12,000 shares for a total of $3 million in equity. With this money, we will be able to further our brand development, advertising campaigns, and overtake Ascend Cycles in market share.